Hi dear friends and welcome to my channel. This is Afro Revolution Company. I am Ken Jerry. I am your tech mentor. Today we'll be talking about the structure of a C program. That is the basic structure of a C program. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our content. Okay, let's get started. For this program, we'll be using an IDE, precisely code block. So before we go further, what is an IDE? An IDE is an application that helps programmers to code much more efficiently. So for this, we'll be using code block. So let me start by opening an empty file. So for the basic structure of a C program, we normally start with a hash include, and then we have the stdio.h. Then we have our main function and bracket. And then we have the body, which gets into our open and close braces. So in the body, we can, if we wish to output something, we use printf. And then this is our first C program. And there we have the basic structure of a C program. We can now build a program. Here they're asking us to save it. I will save it as my name 6. And then you can see that here we are having a green color to show that we are not having any syntax error or any form of error in our program. So I would like us to talk about some components that make up this basic structure of the C program. We will start with the hash include. We'll start with the hash include and stdio.h. So the hash include stdio.h is called a compiler directive. So what do we mean by compiler directive? This is what provides the information that the compiler needs to compile a program. Also, in C, we have what we call input/output instructions that are provided by means of standard or of a standard function which is stored or which are stored in standard library. So this function which are stored in this standard library use variable declaration stored in a special header file, and this header file is what we call the stdio.h. All C program consists of one or more functions or sub-functions or sub-programs, and one of these functions is what we call the main function, which you can see in our structure. In addition, functions in C are followed by a list of arguments which are enclosed in a bracket. And when a function is not having an argument, the bracket must still be present. And after we have declared our functions, in this case we just have a single function which is the main function, then we have to include our braces, left and right braces. And what is the purpose of these braces? They define the start and end of the function body. So this is in essence the structure of a C program. So if I come back here, as I said, I can build this program and then I run it here. Then you can see this is our first C program. Thank you for watching.